So the first thing that we need to ask ourselves before learning about project management, how to manage projects, how to make sure that our project is a success, and how to avoid failing in our project, what we need to understand first of all is what is a project? What makes a project? And it's quite simple. It's a very simple concept to wrap your head around if you think about it this way. By definition, a project is the use of resources and a structured sequence of events to deliver a specific outcome. Let's replay that again. A project is the use of resources and aligned sequence of operations, which means tasks, things that you have to do using these resources in order to deliver a specific outcome. Now let's explain this generic definition through the use of an example. Let's say writing a book is considered to be a project. Building a house is considered to be a project. Creating a website is considered to be a project. Changing the tire of your car is considered to be a project. Even writing a small article or creating your own CV is considered to be a project. So why all of them are projects? Well, two main reasons. All of them, they require the use of resources, whether time, money, effort, knowledge, and the list goes on, plus a sequence of events, a sequence of actions, you, someone who is conducting or executing the project, that you must follow in order to make sure that you deliver the required outcome. Let's take baking a cake as an example. You will collect the resources. First of all, you define the project. I want to bake a cake. Baking a cake, this is the name of the project. Who's the owner of the project? Let's say yourself. You want to bake your own cake. In order to deliver that cake, you're going to list down the resources that you have, which could be eggs, flour, butter. You need some equipment, let's say a cream whipper. You need an oven. You need electricity. You need water. So all of these are resources that you're going to arrange, properly sort them out, utilize them to bake the cake. But the cake is not going to be baking itself by itself. You're going to utilize these resources plus a series of actions that will deliver that cake for you. So you have listed down your resources, you have taken down all of the resources that you could possibly think of in order to ensure the delivery of the cake. Now, the sequence of steps that you must follow to bake the cake, what would they be? Think about it. You need to combine the eggs, the butter, and the flour and the water together for a certain period of time. Then you're going to use that whipping cream equipment, just the blender, just to blend all of them together. You're going to let it rest for a bit, add some salt. Then you're going to set the oven to a specific temperature, wait for the temperature to be reached by the oven, open the oven, place that whole batter inside the oven just to make sure that, you know what, you have that blend of resources sitting in that specific temperature. Close the oven. Then you're going to wait for a specific period of time, let the whole cake bake, observe, monitor, take a look at what's going on. Then you're going to be tasting the cake just to make sure that you have the right flavor. Everything is quite aligned perfectly before you actually take it out of the oven and prepare it for, final presentation, put the icing, put the fruits and all that kind of stuff. So something as small as baking a cake, if you take a look at it, you have aligned a lot of effort, resources, allocated time, equipment, energy, money, preparation, manpower, and you've arranged them in a specific order in order to deliver that cake. So a cake is considered to be a project. Baking a cake, it's a project. It's a small-scale project. However, the same logic applies for a small cake project. That cake is a project, small scale. The same logic